What if the SUV you've been waiting for isn't wearing a luxury badge, but still looks ready to dominate every road it touches? Meet the all-new 2027 Toyota Fortuner, an SUV that's bolder, smarter, and more refined than ever before. Toyota has taken one of the world's most trusted nameplates and given it a serious attitude upgrade. From its aggressive new face to its premium cabin and impressive performance, this could be the Fortuner that changes everything. So, is it finally ready to challenge premium SUVs while keeping its legendary toughness? Let's find out. One glance at the 2027 Fortuner, and it's clear Toyota wasn't interested in playing it safe. The front end is sharper, wider, and much more commanding, featuring slim LED headlights connected by a bold grille with illuminated Toyota branding. The muscular hood, sculpted fenders, and strong character lines give it a confident stance that looks equally at home in the city or deep in the wilderness. Large alloy wheels, black roof accents, and redesigned LED taillights complete a look that feels modern without losing the rugged personality Fortuner fans love. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to offer a powerful turbocharged hybrid powertrain alongside an upgraded gasoline engine in selected markets. Power delivery feels smooth yet confident, with an estimated output of over 320 horsepower in the top version. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is expected to take around 6.8 seconds, making this the quickest Fortuner ever built. Whether you're merging onto a highway, climbing mountain roads, or towing heavy loads, this SUV delivers the kind of effortless performance buyers expect from Toyota. And while it won't sound like a V8 muscle car, the refined exhaust note has a deep, confident tone that perfectly matches its bold character. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how much the cabin has evolved. The interior feels premium from every angle, with soft touch materials, contrast stitching, brushed metallic accents, and available leather upholstery throughout the cabin. The seats are wider, more supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort, while generous legroom in both the second and third rows makes family road trips much more enjoyable. Add the panoramic sunroof, customizable ambient lighting, and excellent cabin insulation, and the Fortuner suddenly feels much closer to a luxury SUV than ever before. Technology also takes a major leap forward. A large floating touchscreen sits proudly in the center of the dashboard, offering crisp graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, cloud-connected navigation, and over-the-air software updates. A fully digital instrument cluster gives drivers customizable information, while a premium JBL sound system fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a head-up display ensure every journey feels connected and convenient. Safety has always been one of Toyota's strongest selling points, and the new Fortuner raises the bar again. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. Combined with its strong body structure and advanced driver assistance systems, the Fortuner is built to protect both driver and passengers wherever the road leads. Off the pavement is where the Fortuner continues to prove why it's such a global favorite. Advanced four-wheel drive, multiple terrain modes, downhill assist control, locking differential, and improved suspension tuning allow it to tackle mud, sand, rocky trails, and steep climbs with confidence. Yet despite its off-road capability, the ride quality on paved roads feels quieter and more comfortable than previous generations, making it an SUV that's just as happy commuting through the city as it is exploring remote destinations. Pricing is expected to start around $48,000 for entry-level models, while higher trims with hybrid technology and premium features could reach approximately $62,000, depending on the market. Considering its blend of reliability, capability, technology, and premium comfort, the value proposition remains incredibly strong. So, is the 2027 Toyota Fortuner worth waiting for? Absolutely. It combines rugged SUV capability with modern luxury, smarter technology, stronger performance, and Toyota's legendary reputation for durability. Whether you're looking for a dependable family SUV, a long-distance tourer, or an adventure-ready machine, the new Fortuner checks nearly every box. If Toyota delivers everything we've discussed today, this could easily become one of the most desirable SUVs of 2027. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications, because we've got more exciting automotive content coming your way every single week.